So a few years back, when you would come onto YouTube to learn how to do Amazon FBA or watch videos, you would be riddled with a lot of videos of getting started guides, how to do Amazon FBA in 5 minutes, pretty much everything. And I know from firsthand experience because I only started 3.5 to 4 years ago, and these are the exact kind of videos that I was watching, and they were absolute everywhere. But nowadays, it's becoming really hard for new Amazon sellers or potential beginners hard to trust actual YouTubers or YouTube videos out there on YouTube. Now, the Amazon niche or world is a little bit smaller, and maybe you have noticed this if you're watching this video. But the Amazon world of making videos, via YouTube to post out to the world is not what it used to be, and people are slowly trickling away from making these videos. And you might be asking, why is this the case, and why is the trend? And I noticed this and I knew I had to make a video on this to call all of it out because it's becoming a pretty obvious trend, but it's still a very specific niche. So maybe it's not blowing up as much as it should be or as people would talk about. So if you look at the broad landscape of Amazon and you go to watch videos on how to start to do Amazon, you're going to get very generic videos of, open up a selling account, how to product source, how to look at different products, what you should do, what a prep center is, what is packaging, a lot of the generic stuff when it comes to building an Amazon business. But what you don't see out there are any videos of actual Amazon accounts, actual live, refreshing the page of seller accounts, getting to 100K a month, $1 million a month, $10 million a year. That just really doesn't exist anymore. A lot of the stuff that people talk about are just very edited, highly edited videos talking about, what it's like and how to start Amazon as a beginner. I know we've all seen them. And if you look up how to sell on Amazon, it's exactly what you're going to see. You're never really going to see a screen share of people actually buying a product, actually showing their selling account of all the products, in their catalog, or actually showing the listings of the ones that they've sold in the past or that they will sell in the future, or the ones that they do like. You don't see that. You don't see any of the profit breakdowns, any of the revenues, any of the numbers, any of the live goings of their work, right? With their emails, suppliers, wholesale, whatever it may be. And if you date this back, like I said, even 3 to 4 years ago, you would see a ton of people doing, cold calling wholesale suppliers with Amazon, or just doing live interactions of people at their warehouse. And that's become to a bare minimum nowadays. And it's actually really, really hard to find, even though those getting started guides are a little bit obviously still out there, but you don't see any of the true, authentic, real life sellers talking about their sellers experience. And now there's one specific reason on why this has happened and why this is happening. And I want to preface this before I say it. I'm not knocking anybody because it's a really good business model and it makes people a lot of money. And maybe it's working better for them than the actual business was working for them for their particular scenario. But the reason why you aren't seeing as many people with their actual selling videos of them profiting, them making decisions, them getting those revenues, you don't see the screenshots anymore, is because most of those original Amazon sellers who gained an audience through YouTube or through other platforms are no longer selling on Amazon. And I know it might be news to some people, or maybe some people already knew that, but a lot of the big sellers have shifted to selling, teaching how to do Amazon. And like I mentioned, I'm not knocking anybody because it's a really big business opportunity and people are making a lot of money. They're charging people, very high ticket prices. And, it's a really valuable skill to be able to build an online business. And Amazon's one of the best industries for beginners to get started in. And it's really scalable to build out the business and starting from, $1,000 and eventually get to 5,000 revenue, 10,000 revenue, and then eventually six figures and so on. So don't get me wrong, it's a really good business model to teach and to start because people are actually having success with it. But what you're seeing online is no longer firsthand experiences of people saying, I sold or I did this and this is what I'm teaching you or this is what I'm showing you. Now you're just seeing those generic, highly edited how-to videos because they're being able to attract clients and people are wanting to get started and then they're teaching. So they're never just really just showing what they're doing in their day-to-day business. They're never showing the results of their business and what the revenues is at the end of the month, end of the year, right? If you ask many of the people online who make YouTube videos to show their actual business results and their current business day to day, a lot of them won't be able to refresh their screen and show that. for the reason that I'm telling you guys. And I'm not just saying don't trust any of these people, because I know a lot of people who make videos online and just sell a program or a course rather than continuing to sell. But it's making beginners and people who are looking to get started, or at the very, near level of $1,000 or $2,000 a month, actually trust people to grow their business. Because if somebody's teaching you something that maybe worked 3 years ago or 2 years ago, it's a little bit concerning because they're not facing the day-to-day challenges that a beginner or soon to be beginner would go through. So that way, when you see those videos online and how to get started, maybe how to get started 3 years ago, but I want to see what you're doing in your business on a current day-to-day business. So Amazon YouTube is really becoming a ghost town of less authentic people, and a lot of people just selling these guides and how to's and very generic basic videos. But in reality, how many people have really product sourced for their actual business or taken people into the insight of their business? And the number is to a bare minimum right now. So Amazon YouTube has become a ghost town. It's become very, very quiet. And this is the exact reasoning. And I don't know if it's because it's a very specific niche or there aren't that many people talking about it because, whatever it may be. But that's what's happening to Amazon YouTube. And I see this trend only continuing if people continue to build these businesses to eventually get out and then just teach how to build the business. So if you guys are also seeing this trend, or you guys spot some popular videos that used to be, authentic screen recordings of people's Amazon accounts, people's, sales and profits, and showing them how they're working their business, then, I'd be happy to check them out because I miss that kind of authenticity in the business and on the marketplace. But for now, I think we're going on a trend of seeing those continued guides and get starting guides without people who are actually building the business any longer.